today's subject is one is prayer. Satguru Saran Gaho Mere Pyare means go in the shelter of true master, my dear. Oh my dear, you go in the shelter, in the protection of true master. This is the heading of the prayer, and what it means is I will try to explain you. Satguru Saran Gaho Mere Pyare Karam Jukat Chukaye. Go in the shelter of true master, my dear, and pay the tax of deed. Means understand and adjust to deeds philosophy. Means he is saying that you go in the feet of, you go with the protection shelter of the true master and take knowledge so that you understand the deed philosophy. What are your past deeds and how you stop making new deeds, and what are you thinking. So all this knowledge you take from the true master, and for that you have to go to the true master.
Get in? You? If you don't get it, let them tell me. Yes, carry on please. Very good, very good. Go carry on.
भूल भरम में सब जग पछता अचरज बात न काहू सुहाय. The whole world is upset because of ignorance and illusion. No one likes the surprising thing. Means principle of give and take is here in this world. He is saying that whole the world, all the people from Japan, India, Germany, China, America, all the people of the world are in ignorance, and they do not know that there is the principle of give and take. What you give, you will receive that. So you try to make positive, you try to have positive thinking always, so that you what you give, you will receive that, and your life will become happy. So we like taking. When someone gives us happiness or anything else, we like that. But when we have pain, we have worries, sorrows, we don't know. We don't like that. We don't know from where it come, from where the bad luck come. So that will you will learn from the true master. So you have to go to the shelter of true master, and he will teach you what is bad luck and what is good luck.
Set one example. Some example, suppose that your son is not obeying.
Okay. Maharajji wants to give an example. Suppose you are having a son and he is not in your order. He is not obeying your what you say. He always spend your money without any reason, and he always make you angry. So what is the reason? It means he was your relative or brother or some other relation was there with him, and you gave him pain. So he came here as a son so that he can give you pain. He can return you what you have given to him. So this is the reason. So what to do? You adjust with them. You think that he is not giving me pain. It is because of my bad deeds in the previous birth. So that's why he is doing this.
So you have to go to Satguru and tell him that, sir, my son, I say here, he go here. And he spent a lot of money without my permission. I am very sorry for that. What to do? Then he will say, he is not your son. Previous life you gave him trouble. So she is taking revenge of that trouble. He come to his son in your house, you cannot push it out. If you say something against him, people say, what is his son is like this. So it is same for you. So say, you tolerate it. What cannot be cured must be endured. Slowly you explain him, beta, my brother, my son, you do not politely, not to agree, but why you did this and that. If you agree, he will agree, don't care about you. Understood, get in? Anything you want to ask?
I want to ask, it's possible in this life, it's change the
Let it say.
Ma'am is saying that is it possible to change the mind of a boy who has already come, who is in age of teenage, 14, 15 years?
You try. If you have such a politeness and try, then they are slow. You become sota to him. Suppose under him and ignored and last my son, you are very intelligent. We are very this and that. Praise him. And praising him, if he come down to that is better. Otherwise, you tolerate. If you have the ability to convince him, so that he will go to you try your best to make him convince. And be slowly, not to
low profile means keep low profile.
You come to little by old man, I don't understand. My son, you are very intelligent, well educated, and that's all and everything. So slowly, politely, you say him. If you can convince that is better, that is your try. It must be. But if don't understand, then don't be sorry. Sadhguru says that you calmly tolerate it. If there is no treatment for that thing, you tolerate it. What cannot be cured must be endured. If there is no treatment for that thing, doctor said there is no treatment anyway for this. Then you what to do? You say, you think that it is my old deed, bad deed. It is my bad deck. So that is, I am suffering like that. You know?
Are you getting?
Understood? Okay, that's it.
भागहीन सब जग मायावश यह निर्मल गति काऊ न पाए. All are unlucky and are under control of illusion. No one finds the pure state, means they don't reach the salvation while living. He is saying all are unlucky. They don't like this salvation and this knowledge. They want worldly things. So all are unlucky and they don't reach this salvation. They keep on making new thoughts and new resolutions, and they keep going and coming, go and come. They remain in the cycle of death and rebirth. They feel happiness and sorrows all the time. So they are in the cycle of this.
Understood? Sir. Means all are in confusion. They don't know. Who tell? True master. When you approach true master, then he will explain only. The thing is this, that in the past life, they happened this, he was like that and you that. So tolerate it. He know it, others not. So approach to Sadhguru, get his shelter, and ask him question, sir, this is that. So he will say you how to solve this problem. Either you convince him or otherwise tolerate it. Yes.
जिन पर दया आदि कर्ता की सो यह अमृत पीवन चाहे. Those who are in God's grace will have desire to take this nectar. Means those people only will come on this path who is having the grace of God. They will think about this and they will search for a true master and will find a true master. With very, very, very nice deeds, he will come to the true master. Otherwise, he will never be able to come here. So those people only who are having grace of God, they will come for this knowledge. बिन गुरु चरण और ना भावे उस आनंद में रहे समाये. They will not like anything else except the true master's feet. What is true master's feet? Meditation in white light. Will remain always in that pleasure. Means those people who come for knowledge to the true master, they will have desire, strong desire for this Sadguru's charans. What are Sadguru's charan? Charan means white meditation in white light. And they will remain always in pleasure. No sorrow, no anxiety, no worries. Okay, getting? दर्शन करत पिंड सुध भूली फिर घर बाहर सुध क्या आए. By seeing the true master, by looking at his eyes and his forehead, pind sudh bhuli, I forgot my body. Means I was in the first stage of meditation. My spirit went above the body. You concentrated here in the mind. Then there is no sense of worldly things. I forget all the worldly desires. When I meet my true master with his knowledge and radiation, I forget all these worldly desires. He is praising for the true master.
Become unconscious. He say, why do you see the true master? Seeing him, forget about yourself. And you got intoxication. You forget about your home, this and that, all problem. Seeing him, the radiation make you such, so you forget about your body, all and everything. Seeing him in such a love. You know, in such a love, you meet your any relative or near or dear, and seeing him, you happy or forget all things. How are you, this and that, oh, you came for a long time. I see did not see you before, this like that. You forget all things like that. So he come into intoxication. So again you read it, explain them.
दर्शन करत पिंड सुध भूली फिर घर
seeing him, forget about it.
फिर घर बाहर सुध क्या आए.
in home and other. But the conscience, forget all. Yes.
There is no sense for worldly things. When I see him, I receive his radiations, I forget about my body.
Such a love you should have. Yes.
And who will receive the radiations? Already told Maharaji, who is true seeker, who is having desire for this knowledge. Otherwise, radiations, if he don't have faith, then radiations will not work.
Faith in all and everything. If such a faith, yes. Carry on. Good, very good.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. ऐसी सूरत प्रेम रंग भीनी, तिनकी गति क्या कहूँ सुनाए. Spirit is drowned in the color of love. My spirit is full of love. I cannot tell about that condition. I cannot tell about that condition when I was in the light, when I see my true master, and when I went in the upper loks, sound and light, and when I see my master. So those people who are not in the light and sound, they will receive the radiations of the true master. And he is saying, when I see my master, I cannot tell that what condition I have on that time. I cannot express that. So this is the love for the true master. A disciple.
I repeat it again.
ऐसी सूरत प्रेम रंग भीनी, तिनकी गति क्या कहूँ सुनाए. Spirit is drowned in the color of love. I cannot tell about that conditions.
Yes.
Means by seeing the true master, I get full of love.
You understand, but you are unable to tell the others. Must. Yes.
जोग बैराग ज्ञान सब रूखे, यह रस उनमें दिखे न ताए. Meditation, detachment, knowledge, all are uninteresting to me. When I see my true master, that is so sweet that I cannot find this pleasure in these things. The disciple is full of love. He is praising his true master. He is saying that meditation, knowledge, everything, detachment, everything is uninteresting to me. I don't like these things. I like to see my true master.
They are not equal to him.
Yes.
All the pleasure is not equal to him, that the things in which you see the master and feel like that. Yoga, meditation. Vairag, nothing, no attachment.
Jnana sab jhoote.
Jnana, knowledge, all are
fake,
not
false.
so tasteful as seeing the good master.
बड़ भागी कोई विरला प्रेमी, तिन यह नामत मिली अधिकाई. Only very lucky and loving seeker, disciples, will reach this state. Means he only will achieve the salvation while living. He is saying that only very true seeker, pure-hearted, who love their master, who have trust, faith in master, only they will reach there in the condition of salvation while living in this body. No other one can go there. Radha Swami कहत सुनाए, यह आरत कोई गुरमुख गाए. Radha Swami says that only a gurmukh, a true seeker or disciple, will sing this prayer. He will praise the true master, no other people. So what is the meaning? The essence of this prayer is that true master is all and everything. If you have faith, you will reach there. If you don't have faith, you will reach nowhere. That you are all and everything. When I see you, I forget everything. I have so much pleasure that I cannot express that.
The solution of this whole thing is this: we don't know about the past life, and when you go in center of the living master, he will tell us what this trouble, why come you. So we can tolerate it. What you did in past life, don't know. Nobody know. Only the living master know. He say in last life he was not your wife. He troubled him very much, so he came in shape of the wife, and he troubled you. He know all the theory. What is attachment? He say they are not near and dear. They came to get their share. Previously, whatever you given him, so he will return like that. Yes. Only the living master. In the soul praise, the conclusion is you find out about that.
Yes.
Without perfect master, nobody can tell you why are you this trouble in this. You have bearing this over here. When the thing happen according to your mind, then you are happy, and when thing not happen according to your mind, then you are unhappy. Whatever you think, so will the result will come. If your thought was the very good positively, then you will get the according to your mind, otherwise not. So this all the true master will explain you.
Yes. So there were two things he was forcing on this prayer. One, how to repay the debt what you have given and taken from the, so clear that account, how to clear that account. This will teach the true master. Satguru will teach this. And another one thing is that true master is all and everything. The second is the disciple is praying to the true master that please give me the real name. How I meditate in the sound. Please teach me that. Please give me that knowledge in which you remain all the time. Please teach me that. He is praying to the master. So I will explain it here. Naam dan pradhan kije Guru Deen Dayal. O true master, please provide me real name, God sound, as you are merciful to the ignorant. आप अज्ञानियों के लिए दयालु हैं, इसलिए कृपा करके मुझे नाम दान दीजिए. प्लीज provide me the real name, the meditation in real name, as you are merciful to the ignorant. चरण का नित्य ध्यान सुमिरन चित्त न व्यापे काल. I pray to meditate always in your feet. I already told what are the feet. Meditation in white light. So disciple is praying to meditate in white light. So who will teach how to be in the white light? The true master. So that I do not feel worries, unhappiness and pain with time. Ki kal chitna vyape kal means when you meditate in the white light, your concentration will go here in this Bhavar Gufa Satlok, and you will leave this region of mind. And where in the region of mind, what is there? Happiness and sorrows, anxiety, pain, happiness, all these. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are unhappy. So when you meditate in the white light, all sorrows will go away and you will remain always in pleasure.
Got it? Get it?
Sarv Samrat, Sarv Ang Sang, Sarv Jagat Adhar. Disciple is saying that you are all and everything. Sarv Samrat, you are capable of doing anything. You are always with me. You are base of this whole world. आप सब कुछ हैं. Disciple is saying you can do anything. You are the base of this world. You are running this world. शुद्ध मन से पद कमल को करूं निस दिन प्यार. I love the feet of true master.
Cleared.
Love to meditate in white light with pure mind day and night. दिन रात pure mind, शुद्ध हृदय से उनके आपके चरणों को प्यार करूं, प्रेम करूं. Means he is saying that I clear my heart, all the bad things I remove, and with that clear heart I pray to you that I meditate in light. Please teach me that. Sindhu bhav ati agam dustar sujhe var na par. Sindhu bhav means what? This body, mind and the light. These are the bhav sagar. So this physical and mental world. Physical, what you see in front of your eyes, and mental world, what you see in your mind. What kind of thoughts are there? That is the inner bhav. There are two, physical and the inner. This is bhav sagar. It's very difficult. Why he is saying difficult? Because sometimes we have good health, sometimes bad health. So it gives us pain. And like this also, thoughts. When we have good thoughts, we feel happiness. And when we have bad thoughts, we feel unhappiness. We are in pain. So this is very difficult to understand what is going on here. And I am unable to go beyond it. मैं इसके पार नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ. I am trapped in the mind and the body. Please teach me how to meditate in light and sound. So the disciple is telling his problem, that he is not happy here. He is having anxiety, worries, pain, fear. So he wants to come out of that. विकल मन रहे सोच छिन छिन कैसे जाऊं किनार. My mind is always remain in pain and worries while thinking about it. He is saying that when I think about this Bhavsagar, my body, my mind and light, I remain in pain. I now understand that this is the happiness and unhappiness. You will be always there. It will not remain determined. It will not be fix. Sometime you will be happy, sometime you will be unhappy. So when a disciple come to this knowledge, he at the moment he knows this, he feel worried. What to do now? Please tell me how to go beyond this, how to go beyond this region of mind. Because region of mind is happiness and worry is
Disciple is
unhappiness.
asking to the Guru Perfect Master. This, he is asking, please you tell me, I don't know how. I have no idea. Yes.
दया कीजे मेहर कीजे लीजे चरण लगाए. He is praying now again. Help me and mercifully accept me in your feet. Help me and mercifully teach me how to meditate in white light and sound. He is praying to the God that I know with your mercy, I know that I am in pain. So how to go beyond that? Bhakti dije tar lije kije meri sahai. Please give me your devotion. Bhakti means, devotion means what? Support, help, sahara. So please give me help. Please support me. Please give me your devotion and help me to reach salvation while living. Bhakti dije. Please give me your devotion and help me, please, so that I reach the salvation while living in this body. Okay? Are you getting?
Understood. Otherwise he is going right. He is telling correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hmm.
शब्द में रत रहे पल पल सुरत पावे चैन. Why is saying this? When he came to his master with full of love and faith, he listened him carefully with full attention. Then he know, oh, here is pain, here is happiness. It will keep on changing. So that now he says, शब्द में रत रहे पल पल. Please bless me so that my spirit always keep realizing that real name, because there is ultimate peace. No unhappiness, no happiness, only peace. And what peace? What kind of peace? Param Santi, ultimate peace. Now the disciple got the taste of that. In what condition, in what state the true master is living. With his company, with his satsang discourses, now he got that taste. So he is praying that please give me that and my spirit be in peace, so that I myself remain in peace. Please give me that knowledge so that I stay in peace. Peace after death? No, peace while living. Satguru Data Daya Sagar Bhaju Main Din Rain. This is the main point. He is saying, Satguru Data Daya Sagar, true master, you are the great donor and sea of mercy. And you look at this point, what he is saying. You asked me a question, what I to do when I go to home in Germany. So this is the answer. He is saying, Baju mein din rain, I remember you day and night. When you are in remembrance of your master, your spirit, your concentration will be in remembrance of true master, and your mind will not vibrate. Your mind will not go here and there. And this is the happiness. This is the peace. So the moment you reach light and sound, it's okay. But when you come down and you are unable to go there, you keep remembrance of your true master. This is the answer. But what is the problem? We are having lot of desires in our subconscious mind, and they come. How they come? A idea comes, a thought comes, goes, no problem. It comes again, and again 2-3 times it comes, and we got trapped in that, and we feel, oh, okay, I will do this. We make resolutions and start acting on that. So this is the way how we make new deeds, and we feel happiness and sorrows.
You understood? If anything is less and do not understand, ask me. He told all and everything. What I wanted to say, I am testing to him today, whether he is able to explain or not. So he explained it. In future you may ask him and he will give you a reply. I tested today. All right, you said, you answer of this question. What is this lesson? So this lesson was about this Satguru, the past master, the living master, and the disciple is praying him. He went his shelter. Okay, whatever you want to understand, then take his shelter, surrender, and ask him. So he will tell you what is the trouble, What is you are in a family and next day और कोई है क्या? नहीं.
Yes.
Next is there. Next day for this. In this life, what you do? If you want to be happy, always have positive thinking, so that you will get positive. You come again and again, not to return the old. You be happy, whatever you want to. So always think positively. Positively, you think you will get all and everything. You will be wealthy man, this and that. And this is a play of the God. Playing. To play as far as power in you. And when you turn for that, then you try to attend there. That is always come later on. Understood? If any question you ask him, you reply his question.
So
be,
Maharaj,
be carefully. See it.
all the time when we feel weak and lonely, we think of you, we pray to you, and you will give us the power, so we will have faith and be strong. Is it like this?
So-
What was the question? What you ask? You?
Yeah. You please ask the question again.
When we call you inside, you will be with us in this moment. Is this true?
He is saying that now we are in your radiation, but as we go home in Germany, we will pray to you for our help. Will you come there to help us?
Certainly, whatever you want, you will get. Whatever thinking, you will get. Radiation is there. Whatever you want, what you have desire, what you wish, you will get it. This is the principle. You are all and everything. Power in you, but you do not know. You do not know what to do. So, what thing you want, wish, desire, strongly desire, you will get all and everything. Understood?
I also learned a lot because you are here. So I got a lot of knowledge. I do easy meditation. I got company of my master because of you. So I thank you so much and would like to see you again here.